Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 68th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about nav tag, means navigation tag. How to use nav tag. We start with HTML tag. Sorry, doc type HTML. I have mentioned this tag in previous program also. So now we'll start with HTML tag, body tag, head tag, now title tag. Now we'll end the title tag, head tag, navigation tag. We'll start it. Now a href tag equals to s. Now we'll end a tag. Now we'll copy the same line and paste it in the next line and we'll make the necessary changes. Now we'll end the navigation tag, body tag and HTML tag. So now we'll save it as 68 and extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. 68th program. So here it comes, the output. Navigation tag means the tag which defines a set of navigation links. So if we click on HTML, it will take us to the page of HTML and similarly the CSS, JavaScript and jQuery. So we have no page attached to the HTML. So it will not take us to the page. So this is the basic output and don't forget to check the text in description.